So Bjorn, the cannabis industry is being legalized, deregulated around the world. How did you start Grobo to enter this new market?
The industry's taken off, absolutely. We didn't start in that market. We actually started in helping people to grow food at home. But that market came to us because it's a new type of consumer that's getting in. They want beautiful products. They want to take cannabis out of the basement now that it's becoming legal, and they want help growing it. So they're the ones that kept asking us, could you help us grow? Could you help us grow? Could you help us grow? And then eventually we realized we absolutely could help them grow and decided to redesign our product to fit that need.
How many people actually will want to do this, though? It seems like a lot of work and management to grow your own cannabis.
So it's the same about quality of food that we're able to have. People want the highest quality, and that's why we're seeing more and more people being concerned about the recalls that licensed producers are having, and the low quality that's available on the market, and some of the sketchy quality that was previously available of cannabis. So we're in the hundreds of thousands of people that want to grow it. We're already seeing hundreds and hundreds of customers before the product's launched buying our systems to get in as fast as possible.
And so how does your system work?
So our system is incredibly easy. You just put in your favorite seed or a cutting of whatever strain you want to plant. You tell the app exactly which one that is, and it does the rest. It's a hydroponic system, so it's constantly watering your plants, providing them with nutrients, monitoring lighting, temperature, humidity, and the best part is it gets rid of the smell. So that's not going to affect any of your neighbors as well.
Right. Well, look, everyone thinks that this industry is going to explode.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of competitors entering. What is the technology you developed to help you differentiate longer term?
So we were at the right place at the right time with the right team. So we should be the first ones to ship in this new smart...
The first competitor to ship.
The first competitor to ship in the smart growing system space. They're just not out there right now. There will be more coming in, I'm sure. But some of the technology we have is we actually have built a beautiful product which has a glass front on it. Now, cannabis needs dark at night so that it doesn't hermaphrodite and change on you, and so it grows well. And we have this fluid glass technology that we've developed and we're patenting right now that allows you to see your plants whenever you want to see them, but then it turns that glass off at night so that they have complete darkness and can grow undisturbed, even if you have the TV on in the living room where you're growing it.
And this hardware unit you developed, well, you developed in part at HAX, the HAX hardware accelerator that's based in Shenzhen.
Correct.
What was that experience like?
It was incredible. China moves incredibly quickly when you're developing a hardware product. There's a reason that people go there. But what we actually learned is that we could do a lot of what they're doing in-house here. And so we've come back with our team and we've mimicked all the laser cutting and the fabrication capabilities we manufacture in-house. And we've replicated that speed back in Canada. And that's what we learned, is that it's possible if you work hard and set yourself up.
That's pretty unique. So literally the same cost and quality you can achieve in Canada or in the United States at comparable results to Shenzhen or elsewhere in China.
Yeah, I mean, cost is going to be a little bit higher here, but quality is going to be higher as well. And that's what we're building, a high quality product. And we would say it's totally worth it. The wood top and bottom on our product, we have Mennonites building them in farms in St. Jacobs near our office. And so we can go into the barn and see this beautiful Canadian hard maple that's coming off the line for us. And that's something you don't get if you're in China.
There's still that stigma out there when you think about how you raised capital. There's still that negative stigma around cannabis. How did you go about raising capital?
We found the right investors. We found the people that knew what was coming, that were able to understand the vision and the trends that were at play, and that also believed in us as a team.